Hello everyone and welcome to my Story Club show. Dear friends, since last 1 month I am narrating a story every day, and all these stories are motivational stories. And why do I tell you motivational stories? Because I want to inspire you to achieve your goal in life. I want to motivate you to achieve your aim in life. I want to help you to make you successful in your life. And my dear friends, my main purpose is to teach my students to speak English fluently. And I have to teach it through natural way. And what is the natural way of learning any language? That is listening. My dear friends, if we have to learn new language, then we should listen that language every day. We should listen something in that language every day, and at least we should listen 1 hour or 2 hour. And if we will listen 1 hour or 2 hours English, then I promise you that within 6 months you will be able to speak English fluently. That is the purpose of our Story Club show. And my dear friends, today I am going to narrate you a story. The title of that story is Life. You know what is mean by life? Dear friends, life is a battle with situation. Means every day we have to fight with the situation. Life is not easy. And nowadays life has become very hard. Life has become very difficult because we are facing the pandemic disease COVID-19, and that's why there is a very big crisis in front of us. We have to face it and we have to come out of it securely. So, today we are going to talk about life. My dear friends, sometimes some people come in our life and they they help us to find out the goal of our life. They help us to find out the aim of our life. They teach us lessons in life. They tell us who we are, and they help us to recognize ourselves, and they tell us what we want to become in life. And who are these people? These people may be anyone. These people may be your friends, they may be your teachers, they may be your neighbors, or they may be some strange persons also. Somebody stranger also come in our life, and he reminds us our goal of our life. And when we look at these people, we understand that these people will make profound effect on us. My dear friends, sometimes some problems come in our life, some calamities come in our life, some crises come in our life. Sometimes we fall ill, or sometimes we are injured, but these things also are important in life because they test us, they test our capacity, they test our ability. And if there are no problems in life, there are no calamities in life, then life will be smooth and comfortable. But though the life is smooth and comfortable, that type of life is dull and monotonous. So that there should be obstacles in our life. If there are obstacles in our life, then only we come to know our potentials, we come to know our willpower, we come to know our desires, we come to know the power of our heart. So that, my dear friends, in life sometimes there are difficulties, there are problems, and we have to face those problems, we have to fight with those problems, and we have to overcome those problems. That is the life. My dear friends, in our life, there are some people, they love us, they like us. And I would like to tell you, some people love us, they help us, and if they love us, we also should love them. We also should like them. We should not love them because they love us, but we should love them because they teach us how to open our heart to them who care for us. We should care for them. Not only they care for us, but they have taught us to take care of the people who take care of us. And in life, we meet some people, they hate us, they hurt us, they betray us. If some people hurt us, they give us trouble, they give us pain, they betray us, then what should we do with them? How should we behave with them? We should forgive them. Why should we forgive them? We should forgive them because they have taught us. They have taught us what is trust, and they have taught us with whom we should open our heart. That's why we should forgive them. We should forgive such type of people. My dear friends, in life we should have desire to become somebody. If we have strong desire, if we have strong willpower to become somebody in life, then definitely we can become that in life. And my dear friends, I would like to tell you that we should believe ourselves. We should trust ourselves. We should have trust on our ability. We should have trust on our capacity. And if we will not believe ourselves, then it is very hard for others to believe us. It is difficult for others to believe us. How will they believe us? And I would like to tell you about life, that we worry about our future. We take tension about our future. My dear friends, today was tomorrow. That we were worried about it yesterday. But we have to ask ourselves a question. Really, was today was today that much important that we should have taken tension about it? And my dear friends, I would like to tell you that you can become whatever you want to become in life. And what is important for that? The important thing is that first of all, you should have strong desire to become somebody in life. If you have strong desire to become somebody in life, and if you have the ability to face the problems in life, then you can achieve your goal. That is life. My dear friends, I have told you about life. How is life? Life is beautiful. Many people have said, many great persons have said that life is beautiful. And we should love our life, because life, we get life once. We don't have second chance of human life. So we should love our life, and we should try to learn from every day, and we should enjoy every day. Today we are living life, and today we have to learn something from today, because it will help us tomorrow. We should enjoy every moment of life. We should learn from every moment of life. If we will learn from every moment of life, it will help us tomorrow to solve the problems of life. And my dear friends, I would like to tell you that every day counts. Means every day is very important, because if the day has passed once, we cannot bring that day again. My dear friends, we should talk with people. We should talk with others. We should know their opinions, because by talking with others, we can learn some new things from them. We should talk with strangers also, because they help us to know new things, or they will help us to make our life meaningful. We should always have conversation with others. We should not neglect others. If we will take care of others, then they will take care of us. My dear friends, there are many successful people, and what is their experience? They love people, they love others, and that's why they are successful in life. If we will take care of others, then they also will take care of us. My dear friends, I am narrating story every day, and there are some my students, they are listening my stories. They are listening my stories. They are listening my stories, and that's why they are motivating me to narrate one story next day. My story club show is becoming successful because of the audience, because of the listeners. If they will not listen my story, then it will be my story club show successful? No. So there are many successful people, and why are they successful? I would like to tell you. They are successful because they love people, they like people, they care people, they take care of others, they love others, and that's why other people love them. So, my dear friends, I would like to tell you, if you have to become successful in life, then you should mix up with people. You should take care of people. You should help people to solve their problems. If you will help them to solve their problems, then they will help you to become successful in life. And this is life. My dear friends, once again I tell you, life is beautiful. Life is beautiful, and so that we should love our life. We should try to enjoy our life wholly. We should enjoy each and every moment of life, and that's it. If you like this video, please like it, share it, comment on it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, because I promise you that if you will subscribe it and if you will listen my videos every day, it will definitely make difference in your life, and it will definitely make you perfect in English. That's my promise. That's it. Thanks a lot.